Okay. How many photos do you take a day? About 5. How many rooms are there in your house? 3. How many times have you been late this month? Okay. Being late for work, being late for school or somewhere or meeting. Twice. How many times have you moved? This is present perfect tense. 7 times. How many times have you traveled by trains? A lot. How many the US states can you name? And okay, how many vacations or holidays do you take each year? 2 vacations. Plural. How many years of education would you like to have? 4 years, maybe 7 years. Okay, education, university education, high school, secondary school, whatever. How many cities in Turkey or Turkey have you visited? 11. How many times have you traveled to Turkey? 2. 2 times I traveled to Turkey. Okay, twice. How many Turkish dishes? Dishes means meal, food. Do you know about? And okay, something like kebab or the other things. How many famous places? This is the sea. Have you seen in Turkey? 4. That's all today. Thank you so much. Please write on your notebook. And now, Turkish.